Good morning, friends. Today I have come up with the topic importance of understanding the importance of important things. Friends, do you know why don't we realize the importance of few things and few people? It's just because we have them with us. We have those things with us. We don't realize the importance of electricity until and unless the light goes off. We don't realize the importance of our parents until and unless we lose them. There are few diseases which are caused by not exercising, not keeping cleanliness around us, but we don't realize the importance of cleanliness and exercise until we go on doing those things. We come to know the importance of these things when we suffered from those diseases. And at those times, keeping the cleanliness, suppose you now suffer from hypertension or diabetes, then you realize the importance of exercise. But you now are on a stage when by exercising and by keeping the cleanliness you cannot cure the disease. You need medicines. So it is said that precaution is better than cure. So to know the importance of anything or any person, try to live life without these things. If you want to know the importance of mobile, you just keep it away for one day. If you want to know the importance of water, just don't drink water for 5 or 6 hours. But don't do that. Do one thing, live without electricity for 1 or 2 days. You will be able to write a full novel on electricity then. So, if you want to know the importance of important things in your life, just try to live without them. Just try to live in the scarcity of those things. Same way, a very good message I want to give you with this. You are wearing mask, you are sanitizing your hands, you are keeping a distance of 6 feet, that is social distancing. You are doing all these things, but you are not getting profit from this. You are not getting visible benefits from these things. But you will come to know the importance of these things when you become COVID positive. So, to avoid this situation, realizing the importance of mask and realizing the importance of sanitizing the hands and physical distancing, just have the mask, keep social distancing and sanitize your hands. So, today's message is